Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare UE5 Render versus Blender. Both are powerful tools for three-dimensional content creation, but they approach rendering with different philosophies. Unreal Engine 5, a game engine, focuses on incredibly fast, real-time rendering, ideal for interactive experiences. Blender, a comprehensive three-dimensional suite, provides two main rendering engines: Eevee for real-time previews and Cycles for high-quality, physically accurate offline renders. We will explore their unique strengths and ideal use cases. Unreal Engine 5 shines with its real-time rendering capabilities, driven by innovative technologies. Lumen, its global illumination and reflection system, dynamically illuminates scenes, adapting to light changes instantly. Nanite virtualized geometry allows for incredibly detailed models with millions of polygons to be rendered efficiently, eliminating the need for manual level of detail adjustments. Furthermore, virtual shadow maps deliver consistent, high-resolution shadows, and real-time ray tracing brings advanced lighting and reflections, making it perfect for immersive virtual environments. Blender offers versatile rendering options through its two primary engines. Cycles is a powerful, unbiased path-tracing engine, renowned for producing stunning, ultra-realistic images by simulating light bounces accurately. Eevee, on the other hand, is a real-time rasterization engine, providing immediate visual feedback and fast renders, ideal for quick previews and stylized animations. Blender also supports GPU rendering with various technologies like CUDA and OptiX, significantly speeding up render times for complex scenes, giving artists precise control over their final output. When deciding between Unreal Engine 5 and Blender for rendering, consider your project's primary needs. Unreal Engine 5 is a dedicated game engine, excelling in real-time performance and interactive experiences, making it ideal for virtual production and games. Blender, a comprehensive three-dimensional suite, offers superior tools for modeling and animation, with Cycles providing top-tier photorealism for offline renders. While Unreal Engine 5 often demands more robust hardware for its cutting-edge features, many artists combine both, leveraging Blender for detailed asset creation and Unreal Engine 5 for dynamic, real-time final renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.